In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a refund receipt in QuickBooks Online. QuickBooks is a powerful tool for managing your business finances, and learning how to create a refund receipt is a valuable skill that can help keep your records accurate and up to date. So, whether you're a small business owner or just handling accounting tasks, understanding this process is essential. To start, we're going to navigate to the top of your QuickBooks dashboard. In the left corner, you'll spot the option labeled New. Clicking on New will unfold a range of options available for your financial tasks. Among these, you'll find Refund Receipt. Go ahead and select it. This will open a new window ready for you to input the refund details. Now, let's talk about what you'll need to fill in. It's important to gather all necessary and correct information before proceeding. First, ensure you have the correct customer details. This includes their name and relevant information associated with the transaction. The refund receipt will act as a formal record, so accuracy is crucial. As you continue, enter the item or service for which the refund is being issued. You should also include quantities and any associated details that pertain to the original sale. Make sure you input the correct amount that is to be refunded. Mistakes with this can lead to complications down the road, both for your records and your customer satisfaction. You might also want to add a memo or description within the receipt. This part is optional, but including a reason for the refund can give you helpful context if you ever need to refer back to this transaction in the future. Once you've inputted all the necessary details, take a moment to review everything. It's always a good idea to double-check that each piece of information is correct and complete. This can save you from potential headaches later on. When you're satisfied that all details are accurate and finalized, it's time to complete the process. Simply click Save to secure your new refund receipt in the system. And there you have it. With just a few straightforward steps, you've created a refund receipt in QuickBooks Online. It's a process that can initially seem daunting, but once you get the hang of it, it becomes second nature. Remember, practicing these steps regularly will help you become more efficient, and you'll be able to complete the process quickly and confidently in the future. I hope this walkthrough has been helpful. Thank you for joining me, and feel free to revisit this video whenever you need a refresher on creating a refund receipt in QuickBooks Online.